Hey guys, this is Josh with JC Landscaping, back with another video. So this will be the first for me of doing something like this, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. I got a package in the mail today from Schiller Grounds Care in Hampton, Pennsylvania. Now, I kind of caught me off guard. I was like, who the heck would send me a package? And then I got to remembering I met someone in Louisville at the GIE this past year with Little Wonder, which is the leaf vacuum I have on my trailer. So I'm 99% sure that's who this is from them. So let's open it together and we'll see what we got here. So let's see here. Well, first we have a pin that says Little Wonder on it. So obviously that's who this is from. Awesome. So what do we got here? Oh, nice. With a little hook, heck yeah. Got a business card in here too, so. And it is from Heidi Blade, which is the marketing manager. Little Wonder, Klassen, and Mantis. This is the lady that I met in Louisville at the GIE. Schiller Ground Care. It says, hi Joshua, enjoy the holidays. Heidi. That's awesome, guys. That's awesome. What else we got in here? Got another towel. Now these are microfiber towels, guys. These are actually pretty nice. Little Wonder logo on there, nice. And another pin. Always use pins. What do we got here? And another pin. Okay, so 3 pins. Oh, nice. Nice little bag there. With a large inside pocket and an outside pocket. Nice, got a little thing for headphones. I know everybody uses Bluetooth now, but believe it or not, I still have wired Beats headphones. So, pretty neat there. A couple things down here in the bottom here. Keychains with the little monster on it. That is freaking awesome. Well, that's cool, guys. This is this is amazing here. This is my first gift from a large company like this. So I'm not sponsored by Little Wonder or anything like that. That'd be great if I was. Believe me, I would use their equipment all the time. I use their leaf vacuum. So yeah, this is amazing. So yeah, don't be afraid to walk up to big companies like that when you're in to GIE or anything like that. Introduce yourself, let them know what you do, the equipment that they use, what you use. Hey, that's how you build connections, guys. So let me lay all this out here and you can take a look at it. And yeah, this is pretty cool. I've never gotten anything like this from big companies before. So big shout out to Heidi with Schiller Ground Care for sending me this package for Christmas. It's pretty awesome, guys. As always, like, subscribe, share the channel. Be safe out there. Peace.